Hey everyone, welcome to the second episode of the Easy Tutorial series. In this episode, we are gonna edit this photo, one of my Kolkata street photo shoot, to this with some cinematic color grading and teal orange look. So you're gonna love it. And let me mention that I have shot this photo with my OnePlus 7 Pro phone and I have edited that only using Lightroom Mobile. The photo was shot in JPEG mode, though I preferred RAW over the JPEG, but in this case Lightroom Mobile requires premium membership for RAW editing and যেহেতু আমি খুব গরিব তাই আমার কাছে প্রিমিয়াম মেম্বারশিপ কেনার টাকা নেই সেজন্য I have shot in JPEG. So let's just jump into the Lightroom Mobile and see how it goes. So let us take the photo, import it in Lightroom and open it. Okay, here we go. So for the first step we need to adjust the light. So I think this photo have a little bit of exposure higher, so I've just pulled the exposure down to around 51 ish. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, let's boost up the contrast. 11 looks fine. Okay, I need the harsh highlight a little less the harsh highlight, and 19 looks cool. Yeah, okay, so overall the light of the photo have been down, so I think we should pull up the shadows. Yeah, this is fine. I don't want to mess with the white because it was raining that day, so my sky literally doesn't have much detail to put on, but it's looking a kind of flat, so just add a little contrast by putting down the blacks a little. Okay, the photo starts to getting better. We have a lot of color here, but our priority is popping up the yellow and the orange and grading down the blue and the green to some teal colors, right? So let's go to the color section. Okay, I'll just add a little temperature down. Let's make this number -2, pardon me. So overall photo will have a little blue in it, and let's get the tint to -8. So we have overall thing a little cyanish so that we can edit on it. Okay, I think the color should be more popped out, so let me increase the vibrance to, yeah, it looks fine. I don't need the saturation, but if your image is still looking dull, you can definitely pull up the saturation and make it more colorful, more vibrant. So now the most important thing is color grading. First thing is red. Okay, first of all our priority is to make the red, yellow and orange and up to certain extent green in the more yellowish category, and the remaining colors in the more bluish or cyanish category. So the shadows of the photo will become teal and the highlights of the photo will become orange or orangey, whatever you like. So let's pull up the red slightly. Yeah, it looks fine. Let's go to orange, just a yellow tint to the orange segment, just a little, just okay, that's look fine. But I think as our taxi is there, I think the orange should be more popped up, so I'll pull up the saturation to around 50 looks fine, and luminance is pretty good. That's why we have edited the light first, so that we don't have to mess with the luminance. Okay, yellow, entire yellow segment will be shifted to orange, so just shift it as long as you like it. 75, 74 looks fine to me. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, yellow should be more popped up, so saturation boosted, no luminance change. Okay, we have the trees there, right? You can see there is the trees, so I think the green should be the leaves of the trees. I can make that yellow or orangish, so the green, let me pull down the green to around 75, 6, 7%, and the trees have become quite cool, right? It's getting there, guys, it's getting there. So let's mess with the cyan now. Okay, as our important thing, as our priority is to get the cyanish look, we don't have to mess with the color that are at all originally cyan. So cyan is cool. Let's go to the blue section and make it what? Teal. That's right, because our goal is to achieve the teal orange look. So okay, 44, 45 looks good. Let's boost up the saturation to 26. Yep. And as we have the blue as the darker color, so I'll pull down the luminance to minus 36 is great. Nothing to mess with the violet, just I need to make it a little down, overall violet, and magenta is pretty good. So we're done here. So the photo already achieved the teal orange look. So now we need to make it a little sharper, and we have to get our focus centered on the taxi right there. So let's get to the toning. Okay, as it's a street photography, I would love to get some textures. 20 is fine. Let's boost the clarity to 10. Let's dehaze this to add a little pop, and let's add vignette to somewhere 20ish. Rest is cool. Okay, we are getting it. Let's add a sharpness. Yeah, I will pull the sharpness all the way up to 40%. That goes with my phone. You can pull it even more if you want it. A little more radius. 110 is fine. Okay, detailing, I will want some more details. Masking, yeah, I need some mask. I don't want the sharpness to be applied on the entire image, only the edges, so I'll keep it like 40. So we are nearly done. Just this time we will go with the presets. Now why don't I use the preset at the first place? Because your presets change depending on your photo. So we have already color graded the photo, so now our presets will look much more cinematic. I think artistic 4 will look better. Okay, that's a little harsh on my eyes, so I'll just put it down to around 76. Yeah, 76 looks good. Okay, so we have reached there. Let's hit OK. This is the before and this is the after. Have a look. Isn't it awesome? So all you have to do is just now you can go to the presets. Just you can click here and create a preset with using this. Let's name this Kolkata. So we have the preset here. Now if you want to use the same preset on another thing, you can easily get it. So just click on the preset and you'll be done. So that's it. A pretty flat looking, dull looking photo to a cinematic color grade. And obviously Kolkata has some awesome streets to shoot on. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. And if you find this video useful and you want to watch more of these episodes, don't forget to subscribe to get more episodes of easy tutorials. So that's me signing off. My name is Devashish and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.